Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Fashion Lovers. So guys, how are you? I hope you will be fine and doing well. Today I am going to share with you beautiful and stylish latex full face gas mask and scuba diving gear dresses. All designs are so gorgeous, trendy and fabulous. And guys, I am showing you the best and trending design of 2022. You can get ideas from my videos about color contrast, and I hope you like my all design. So guys, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. By pressing the bell icon, you will get notification of all of my videos and you will never miss any video of my channel. So guys, I always try to bring useful design and useful content. So don't forget to tell me in the comment section how was the video and how was the design. Tell me all in the comment section, and friends, support me by sharing my video with your friends, your relatives and your family. Keep visiting my channel for more videos, more ideas and more design. So guys, now goodbye till the next new collection of my channel, and thanks for watching my video.